Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a calendar widget to your iPhone. So as you can see, there is no calendar widget on my screen. It's only the temperature and my location. And there is no calendar widget. So I need to, if I want to see the date, how will I do that? Of course I can see from the calendar, but that's not so convenient. So for that, let's solve the problem. You need to hold your you need to tap on your screen for some time, and this type of animation will appear on your screen. And from that, you just see the plus icon. You just need to click the plus icon, and after that you need to scroll down, down, yes. And from here you just need to select calendars, and from here you can choose the your preferred widget. So for me, I'm going to choose this, and after selecting the widget, then just click the add widget, and after that from here just click done. So yeah, that's how to add a calendar widget on your iPhone. Hope this video helpful. If this is helpful, then please click the like and subscribe button.